baby. Yes!
Fish just jumped into the splash well.
Are you serious?
What?
A bass?
Yeah, bass. Just like a little. Less
Is he still in there?
No, he walked back out.
I've only seen that happen one other time.
Yeah, they want to be in here today.
Hey guys, what's up? I want to share with you an amazing new product from Big Rig Bassin. This is the 360 quick disconnect. I love my 360. I've always been looking for a better way to adjust it, and this is it. It's just an amazing product. This is a true game changer. Check it out at bigrigbassin.com. No telling how hard all this got pounded. Now that I see there's a few guys fishing in here. No one in my group, but the other group, of course, there was a few, so. Should be squirrable.
2 pounds, 2 ounces.
Sweet.
3 ounces.
2, 3?
2, 3.
Okay.
It's 3, 2, and 3.
Okay. I don't want to have my hands close to there when it's doing that, sorry. Come on, dude. Stop casting so bad. It really is a small lake when you think about fishable water, especially with the wind that we've had this week. It really made it small. Oh, don't do it. Good fish.
3 pounds, 7 ounces.
All right, guys. Number 2. It's definitely slower in here today. Apparently they discontinued these, and there's only like a few left. So if you guys find some online, send me like a DM on Instagram. Let me know where I can buy some. Because this thing on a swim jig is sick. Fat. These two.
2 pounds, 6 ounces.
Yeah, nice. Number 3. Look at that. Little chunker. They're not as big as the other day, guys, but we're just taking our time. The other 2 guys have left, so that's also a good thing. Got him. This is not so bad. It's got a big head. It ain't that big, but
2 pounds, 10 ounces.
all right. I think that's number 4. Not a bad start. Freaking wind out of nowhere, dude. Come on. These fish are in here. The water's dirty. I don't think they can see that great, but they're really aggressive. So if you can get it around one, but you got to get it close to them. Got to get close to them so they can find it. But I like where we're at. I really do. I'm just honestly having a blast catching them like this. Like, this is super fun. Up shallow, no forward facing sonar. Just freaking battle it out in the bushes with some big largemouth. Come on, Justin. Freak. Come here. Watch out. Come on. Good one. Oh, shoot. For a second, I thought it was the one, but it ain't. But it's a good one. Whew. Keep fishing hard. Should be 5 pounds.
4 pound, 12 ounces.
Or 12. It's a nice one. That helps a ton, though. The good thing about that is it tells me they still want the swim jig. Our conditions haven't changed. If it got sunny and the wind quit, I'd probably start flipping. Wow, the sun's gonna come out. God, if that's a bass, dude, that might be the one. No, no. Gotcha. Gosh.
One more time. 4 pound, 12 ounces.
Another nice one though. That fish went nuts on that thing. This is probably, for thunderstorm stuff, it's probably as unsafe as anywhere because you can't just go to the truck. Unless you have a big time heads up. So once this storm passes, they're gonna wait a few more minutes and I can idle back.
Yeah.
Okay. What up? Hey, did you look at your radar and say, oh, hell nah? Yeah, same here. Hey, would you recommend one of your friends buy one of the cup boats? Oh yeah, they're starting to hit the water.
Let's go, boys.
All right, thank you for calling. Yeah. Use the trolling motor from here. Well, I'm really kind of feeling like we need one more fish. Trying to catch one more. Kind of hope it's not very big, because if I got to come in here tomorrow, I don't want to burn one up and waste one. But I really like the way this area looks. That's the one to make championship. Don't break my rod. Don't break my rod. Nice fish.
3 pound,
Look at him peeing. Little male.
11 ounces.
311. Alrighty. Nice one. Smoked it. Dude, I gotta stop fishing now, kinda, because I want to save these trailers. Berkley, please start making these again. Okay. That'll be the one. Sweet. That should seal the deal on making the
2
cut.
pound, 13 ounce.
Yeah, almost a 3 pounder. There you go. We've had a great day. It's been a lot of fun. There we go. I'm actually okay with this and the last one because tomorrow it goes to 3 pounds. That's cool though.
2 pound, 14 ounces.
Close. Tomorrow I'm gonna be
2
pissed.
pound, 13 ounces.
213.
Yes.
Tomorrow, that is not a keeper. Not a scoreable. If I'm top 10, I'll be in this boat tomorrow and can just leave my stuff in it tonight.
If you're in this boat.
God dang, dude. We're done. before it kill one of us. Dude, that is a minefield right there. All right, we're done. All right, guys, we did it. We made the championship round. All thanks to, where's it at? That guy right there. So lesson of the week: when your friend ties baits for you or gives you some baits. My buddy gave those jigs to me 3 years ago, and they've been sitting in my bag, and I just never, I knew they were a good jig, but I never had the time to pick them up or whatever, you know. And this week they've been on white, and I picked that jig up and putting that little Berkley chigger bug on the back. I've caught so many fish on it now. By far my best bait. So anyway, I'm gonna get him to tie some more for me, that's for sure. Good morning, guys. Championship round, final day. 2 chances at 100 grand today. Big fish and most weight. Let's get it done. It's nice there's only 2 boats in here today. Oh, it's nice out here today.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 10.
First one that went after it missed it. 2 missed it now. Come on. That's a good one. Be 3 pounds. Be 3 pounds. It's gotta be 3 pounds. It's fat.
3 pounds, 8 ounces.
Nice. All right, we're on the board. Number 1. He freaking smoked it, dude. Crappie on a swim jig. You think that's scoreable, Russ? Freaking crop, that's a scoreable crappie. Gosh. That one's scoreable.
Oh, fish landed.
Yeah. Come here. Come here, you scoreable bass. Come here. Yes. Still on the white swim jig.
3 pounds, 4 ounces.
Nice. 3-4. Well, no one else in sight. That's nice. Yesterday there were several dudes in here. And I was hoping that those guys didn't really come back and that it kind of just got a good afternoon and night of rest and maybe some new fish pulled up. Well, I saw a big one, but I'm afraid it's not really, it's not set up on a bed. I think it's up cruising with a male. Stressful because I know I'm around an area where it could probably be one. You go on me off there, I'll freaking get off. We are fishing very hard, looking for a big one and another 3. I'm seeing fish, not as many as I'd like, but I am seeing a few. Come on, dude. Just fish our freaking butts off. It's the only thing we're gonna do. Fish as hard as we can. I mean, you can taste it right now. What's crazy is I have not caught a fish off the same spot twice. Not a single fish. Every single one of them is on a new stick or new bush or whatever. New tree. Oh, just eat it, you big freaking fish. Come on. Oh my God. That was the one, dude. Dude, that was the freaking one. Oh. First one I've lost. Little guy. Got that one, no problem. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh. Barely hooked. Oh, dude. My heart is going a million miles an hour right now. Oh.
4 pounds, 14 ounces.
Almost a 5 pounder. That was the same size as that one I lost. I'm feeling better. Still not feeling good. I didn't lose that big one, man. Oh God, it's the only one I've lost. It was that size, same size as that fish. A lot of fish have been coming off of cypress trees, but you can't pass up the bushes either. For whatever reason, all week they've been suspended in these things. I can't catch them flipping. So I think they're just staging, you know, sitting up in the shadows of these bushes and trees, and they're either pre-spawn or post, or could be spawn, and they're a lot of shad. I haven't seen the first bluegill since I've been here. So that's why we're throwing white, and yeah, nothing crazy. We're trying to catch another one, guys. We're trying really, really hard. So far I've had 4 scoreable bites, and we caught 3 and missed 1. Bites are just hard to get a 3+ pounder. Like real hard. But same for everyone. So what do I care? Let's idle.
1 hour remaining in the round. You have 2 pounds, 4 ounce lead over second place.
I need another fish, that's all. That's all I'm worried about right now. Just got to keep my trolling motor down, bait wet. Yep, that's it right there. That's one of them.
£4 pounds, 0 ounces.
Nice. 4 pounder. Clutch. It ain't over though. We got work to do. He'll probably give me one back. He already gave me one, so. 15, 10?
15 pounds, 10 ounces.
Okay. Oh. Nice job, Ott. All right, guys. Second place. Bumped 1,000,000 stumps this week. I'm not happy with it. I'm happy for Ott, of course. You know, he's a good guy. He won. Good for him. But to be that close and lose that fish on that tree back there really sucks. I'll be thinking about that one for a long time. So anyway, it was a fun week at Palestine, and I hope we come back. I'll probably throw a swim jig too if we do.